Hello everyone, welcome to part 54 of Laravel 11 series, in which we are creating the e-commerce website with Laravel and MongoDB. So we will continue with the home page dynamic banners. See, first and second part, we have seen that we able to create these banners in the admin panel. We able to add edit the banner as well. Now it's the time to show these banners here in the home page. That home page that we able to show in the our Laravel website. Now it is coming under the Laravel website, so the only thing that we are going to call them from the MongoDB. Okay, so so these are the steps that we are going to follow. So we are going to update the index function. We are going to get the home slider banners as well as the fixed banners. Okay, so I'm going to just copy this one. I will update this function that we have created in the last part in the banner control, in the index controller. We have the index function. Okay, so we are going to modify this function. Here we will call the home slide banners and home fix banner that we are going to return in this index.blade file. And here we are going to append this one. Okay, like the primary slider, that is the slider. Okay, home page slider, uh, these one are the primary slider. So I'm going to copy this one and we'll replace it with the primary slider. So I'm going to just replace it like this. Okay, uh, and also fix banners, these are the fixed banners. So I'm just going to copy its div as well, and we will replace here in our section content. So here I'm going to replace it as well. So these are coming from the index function, where we are simply calling like if the type is slider, then we will get this array home slider banners. All the slider banners are coming in this array, and all the fixed banners are coming in this array. So both the arrays we are just returning to the blade file, where in the for each loop we are showing all the banners. Okay, so now we are going to check it here. I'm going to refresh and we'll see here. Okay, so we are going to include here the banner model. So we are going to include the banner model here, models banner. Okay, so now I'm going to check. So see, now the banners are coming from the admin panel. Okay, so here you can see, so these are the slider banners that are coming from the admin panel. In admin panel we have added so far 3 slider banners. So all these 3 banners are must be coming from the admin panel. Let's see, this is the first one. Okay, so let's see, we can also click here to check out the second banner and then the third banner. Okay, this is the third banner. Okay, this one is the second banner. So all the 3 banners are coming from the admin panel. And now the fixed banners are still not coming, that we are going to check the path is correct or not. Okay, otherwise we are required to debug. So here we are going to check. uh, we can also first check it here with dd. So it is showing that there is no fixed banners at all, so that's why. Okay, so what is the issue? Because here we have given the type as fixed, but we have added them with the different way. So we can do one thing here. We can simply update it to have that. Okay, like I am going to update the add edit banner, and here uh, we can make all the banner as fixed, just one type. Okay, so here I will modify the code a little bit, and I am going to open my Laravel 10 series, and I have seen here that we have just one fixed type here. Okay, so I will just copy it and will paste it. We will not have these so many fixed type. Just we are going to have just one fixed type like this. Okay, and we don't have any sizes as well. Okay, like we are putting it in so many sizes, that is not required. uh, Here you can see in the banner controller, so this size kind of thing is also not required. You can see just the slider as well as the fix. Okay, so whatever the banner is coming, that we are going to update that. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I will just copy this one, this function, and will just replace it with our own function. Okay, so that is enough. Okay, so now we are going to see there is nothing else is required, and here no size is also required. Okay, and we can simply put the banner of our size, like if the first banner is of the different side, we are going to open the template once again. I'm going to open that template, and here we can see the different sizes. So the first banner we are going to put of this side, then of this side, then of this side, and then of this side. Okay, as the fixed banner only. So this is the change that we are going to do. And so what I'm going to do, I'm going to remove from the MongoDB. So I'm going to open the MongoDB and will delete. I'm going to connect our MongoDB, and we'll open our project here, project 11, banners, document, and here from here I'm going to remove the fixed banners from here. Okay, so otherwise what I can do, I can simply update. Okay, I can just put it like this. I will select the type as fixed and update. It will not take much time. Okay, I'm going to convert all to the fix. Okay, make sure that we will just update the fixed banners, not the slider banners. Okay, so all the fixed banners have been updated now, and the code is also modified. So this one is also not required now. So now we are going to check here. I'm going to refresh, and we are going to see the banners are here now. Okay, so here you can see, but the banners are of the same size. So here one thing we need to make notice, that the banners are of the same size. Okay, so it must not distort, so you need to put the banners of the correct size. Okay, and then it will not distort. Here you can just inspect its width and height. So 570 to 540. So banner size must be 570 to 540, and the same banners you can put one by one. These will keep coming on this one, like if you will add fifth banner, it will come here. Sixth, it will come here. Just you need to add the banner of right side. Okay, so now the home page slider banners as well as the fixed banners, both are dynamic, both are coming from the every panel. Okay, so there is no complexity as at all. You are just required to add the banners from here as slider, multiple banners for slider, and multiple banners for fix. Okay, so this is the change that we have done for the user friendly, admin friendly scenario. Okay, so now we will continue with other things of the home page in the next part, so please stay tuned for that. That's all for now. Have a nice time. Goodbye.